Hi, welcome. I'm Priscilla Batzell. This is Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery's demonstrations and tutorials. Let's have some fun. It's an Artist Loft 16 by 20 inch black pre-primed canvas, and I've got some Master's Touch Payne's Gray, and I want to try some weird things. This is a Decor Iridescent Silver. This is Perfect Indigo. I'm going to take my Cobalt Turquoise from Atelier, and my Dancing Fuchsia, and I think I'm going to put some pearl down. I don't believe it matters how I start, but sometimes it will encourage me to figure out which direction I'm going in. There's black cell activator with Amsterdam black, or sometimes it's Atelier, all with Australian Floetrol. This may not work at all, but I'm going to give it a shot anyway. That's the Dancing Fuchsia. If it doesn't wind up being anything more than a background, that's okay. Because I'm going to add black and white as I go along, and maybe gold. So I got some cool cells, but I don't think they're going to last. And I'm hearing the call to peacock. And I've got other things that are similar, like Chrysicola. Purely peacock. Definitely deserves a little shake. Oop. That was interesting. I'm going to throw in a little bit of Fandango. And what else? Some black? No, I think definitely the turquoise. We'll try it. This time we'll try it with the cell activator on my spatula. Like I said, if I don't like what I get, I'll use it as a background. But usually when I give myself permission to fail, I'm lucky. We'll see if I'm going to stay lucky. I'm hearing the call again to Midnight Shadow. Which I think I'm going to use some white cell activator on. Which I did not shake up yet. Oh, I've still got paint. That's more Dancing Fuchsia cell activator. Did I mention this is pretty much just my art therapy? I haven't used any black, and I think I'm going to. Even with leftover paint on my blade. Because it makes more interesting application. Alright, I'm going to try something. Try the white again on the black. I should have tried my gold cell activator, which I'm always complaining doesn't work very well. I need to find a better one. I'm hearing the call again to Venetian Blue, which is another Modern Masters. I can't remember if I've ever tried the Venetian Blue and the Dancing Fuchsia together. They don't sell, but that's okay. I've got other cells. I am going to try the gold cell activator. Nothing to lose at this point. And I love the combination of colors that come off my spatula, I really do. I want to use silver. My silver cell activator clotted up. It became unusable. I had to pour it away. So I learned my lesson, don't make silver cell activator in advance. Look at that, I used white instead of gold, and I was talking about gold and I still used white. Must be meant to be. I'm kind of liking some stuff about this. I haven't used any tools. If I'm going to put gold down, where am I going to put it? Let's try and focus this time. Yes, I dribbled, but I like what I got, so I'm not going to worry about it. Now, I want some white. That's white pearl. And that is so that I can use something else. Like Rhapsody Rose, which is what I was thinking about. That really does kind of bug me that I dribbled there. But it doesn't usually matter by the time it's all over. Sometimes just making a little pattern by dipping the spatula in is very satisfying. I don't mind that. Take my cell activator, see if I can blow it around. Well, it's activating cells unlike usual, for the most part. Kind of feeling the silver calling me again. And what am I going to hit it with? I think it's going to be Dancing Fuchsia again. Kind of being called to some orange. Maybe a little bit more perfect indigo. Maybe a little more of everything, who knows. The peacock is calling me again too. I don't think there's enough room on my canvas for all the colors that are talking to me. Been languishing for so long, I might as well use it. Even if it doesn't sell, it's still a substitute for gold. I think it was Atelier Rich Gold and Hevio when I made it, and it is working over here, just taking its time working over here. I'm really liking this. It's very different and I'm liking it a lot, but I still think I want some orange. No rules today, except for to try not to knock all the bottles over. It's exciting. I already forgot what I was planning. Orange. I remembered. This is actually saffron. Here's my orange crush. I don't know that I need very much of it, and I'm going to use a different tool. It's my silicone brush. Which I might actually want to put some down in a dish and pick it up. I'm liking all the cells. This is Orange Crush. Might have picked a brush that's too big. I just love the Dancing Fuchsia with orange. And I like having white in my pieces. I like going back and adding it afterwards. I didn't use a lot of extra gold. I've got this iridescent gold from Golden. Nonsensical marks. Might encourage me to want to do mark making too. Maybe a little more black. Just using kind of grunged up paint skewer, bamboo skewer. I want that off of there. Must be time for a smaller tool. Throw that one in the bucket because it's too big. I'm hearing the call to a little bit of yellow. This is a style of painting I wanted to do for a long time, which is totally free and open, unrestrained, spontaneous. Taking paint from one place to another. I might have to torch this. I might want just a little bit of the Rhapsody Rose that I was talking about. Just to see how I like it. I'm loving all my cells and all my weird marks. I kind of wonder if I should put something over here. Maybe not. And if it were to be something over there, what would it be? Would it be peacock? We can try it. Get a few bottles out of my way. Still got lots of nice colors mixed up on my spatula that ought to look really great in there, and do. The Schmutz School of Painting. Alright, I've got plenty of color left in here if I can get to it. That was a ball. If I tell myself it's a stage 1, I can pretty much get away with whatever I want, I think. Just need to do it a little more often. There, it's time to torch if I'm going to do that. And I think I am. Can't wait to see what it looks like when it's dry. Thank you for joining me. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for sharing my videos. Thank you for watching longer. My email address is easpb and the word gallery spelled out at gmail.com if you'd like to inquire in artwork. Linked here you'll find Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, a couple of my websites, my Amazon link. Volumes 1 and Volumes 2 of my books are on the Amazon link because I can, and Unlimited Possibilities, the first and the second 100 videos I made for YouTube. Questions are welcome and encouraged. My community board will show you tomorrow's video. Thank you. Thank you to all my patrons. Thank you to the members. Thank you to those of you who use PayPal to make a donation to keep me painting. Thank you so much. I appreciate you guys endlessly, and you inspire me always. My paint pouring recipes below show more. Thank you for being here. Bye for now. Priscilla out.